Alright guys, so I noticed, I don't usually talk about this on the motorized bicycle channel. So anyways, this is coal. It's what I use to melt all the aluminum, steel, copper, brass, all that good stuff. So what I do is I take a box usually, and I take the chunks that come, because I can't use them this big. Throw them in there. Wear a face shield. Break it all up. There we go, there's some of the coal. This right here is about 20 pounds. Alright, peace out. Alright, so I actually had 22 pounds in here and 9.8 in this one. This is all the scrap. There's a few big pieces tossed in there. Just whatever. I use this to get it going, that to keep it going. This will do enough. This will melt roughly about 110 pounds of aluminum by the time I'm done. So I add this to lump coal, and the temperature of this stuff burns way hotter than all that stuff you see on YouTube and stuff. So put this in the furnace, put the crucible in, and just go. But yeah, I don't usually show all this part of it, but this is how I make castings and stuff all the time. Coal, and it sure beats propane and all that stuff. But I'll tell you what, 90% of the world's aluminum and steel is processed with this, and this little bit of coal right here just went up almost 600% in value.